Have you ever found yourself staring at your crush, heart racing, and feeling completely lost for words? What if I told you that just a few simple things you can say might help? You impress them and create a special connection. Stick around. We are going to talk about 5 things you can say to your crush that will make them like you even more. Number 1. Share a little secret. Let's start with something personal. Everyone has secrets, and sharing one can bring you closer together. It could be a funny story or something that makes you unique. Studies show that when you share secrets, it can help build a strong bond. So, go ahead and share something special. You might see your relationship grow. Number 2. Give compliments. Next, let's talk about compliments. Compliments are like sunshine that brightens someone's day. Tell your crush, "You look great today," or "I love your style." Make it heartfelt. Research shows that compliments that show creativity work best, especially for women. Notice something they don't hear often, like their cool hobbies or a good book they chose. This will make them feel special. Number 3. Crack a joke. Now, let's bring in some humor. Everyone loves to laugh, right? Try this classic. Knock, knock. Who's there? Wendy. Wendy who? Wendy, do you want to go on a date? It might be cheesy, but that's okay. Humor helps you bond, and studies show that laughing together makes people more interested in each other. So, share a laugh and enjoy the moment. Number 4. Say thank you. Next, let's talk about the power of saying thank you. A simple thank you shows you appreciate your crush. Whether it's for a fun day out or just being a good friend, saying, "Thank you for being you," can create a strong connection. When they feel appreciated, they will think of you warmly. Number 5. Ask questions. Finally, don't forget to ask questions. Show that you care by asking about their hobbies, dreams, or favorite music. This helps keep the conversation going and makes them feel valued. A study from Harvard found that asking questions can make people like you more. So keep them coming. So, there you have it. Remember to relax, be yourself, and enjoy talking to your crush. It doesn't have to be scary. It can be fun. If you found these tips helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to The Growth Factor for more helpful tips and inspiration. Let's keep growing together, and who knows, the next thing you say could start something wonderful. Thanks for watching.